16 divided by 4 times 4 minus 2. Comment your answer before I reveal it. I bet you're wrong. Let me guess, you did the parentheses first. 4 minus 2 is 2. Good start. Then you saw 4 times 2 and thought, they go together. 4 times 2 is 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Final answer, 2. Wrong. The 4 next to the parentheses is just multiplication. It doesn't get special treatment. Division and multiplication have equal priority, so you go left to right. 16 divided by 4 first, that's 4, then 4 times 2 equals 8. The answer is 8, not 2, 8. This is the same trap everyone falls into. They think implicit multiplication, the kind without a sign, is somehow stronger than regular division. It's not. It's exactly the same priority. Left to right wins. Calculators agree. Mathematicians mostly agree. Now you agree too. If you said 2, don't feel bad. Millions of people make this mistake. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll keep training your brain to catch these tricks.